We are continuing with our Kassou Seydou inspired self-portraits. Make sure you're paying attention because it can get confusing. I had to change the order of my video because I got confused. So we're breaking this up. Today we are only coloring the skin, which will include your neck, ears, and your face. You're going to want to choose 2 colors for your face, neck, and ears. 2 colors only. You'll have 2 other colors for your hair, 2 other colors for your shirt, and 2 other colors for your background. Since we're only doing the skin today, you only need to focus on figuring out those 2 colors. Choose 2 colors to use for the skin. So this clip is actually from a little later on. You can see I already started coloring and then I was getting confused. So I had to plan it out. So there's my 2 colors for the skin, which is a red and a yellowish. And then I'm going to plan out my hair. I'm going to do 2 different shades of brown, a light brown and a dark brown. There we go. And then I'm writing down what exact brown they are because I have a few different shades of brown, so I don't want to get confused. So that's just to help me later. And then I've got my hair and my skin, so then I need to do my shirt and my background. So all in all, I'm going to have 8 colors. So my shirt's going to be 2 different shades of the blue that I have. And I'm just writing what it is because it's just going to help me remember it easier. So that's why in the colors I'm writing it. But you don't need to figure them all out right now. Today you just need to know what 2 colors you are using for your skin. And my background's going to be 2 different shades of a green. So I've identified that. I know what my colors are now. And now hopefully I won't get confused. So today again we are doing the skin only. Next you will color the eyes, lips, and eyebrows first. And I messed up. I started coloring my face before doing any initial planning, which is why you only see 1 square colored in. And then I realized it'd be best to just go ahead and color the eyes. My eye color, for me it's brown. You can do your eye color. If you want it to be a different eye color, that's up to you. But it kind of anchors our portrait if we color those first. So color in your eye, your eyebrows, and your lips. And I did my eyebrows the same color as my hair to keep it consistent, which also happens to be the color of my eyes. So eyes, eyebrows, and lips. You can try to do the patterning that you'll learn with the 2 different colors, but it's not that big of a deal, to be honest. So go ahead and color your eyes, eyebrows, and your lips. I'm using red for my lips just to make it pop. You can do any kind of skin color that you choose. So reference your plan. What 2 colors are you using for your face and neck? Make sure you try to recognize where the neck and the neckline is, and don't forget the ears. So here's my 2 skin colors. Like I said, boom, boom. Those are the 2 I'm going to color it in, as you see here in this reference. So I want to make sure I stay within that black border for the neck, the face, and the ears. So now I just color in according to my planning. So the way I color in one of the shapes is going to be exactly the same for all of them. I don't go into the area of my hair. I accidentally outlined it at that top heart, but that's okay. I think I should be able to cover that up a little bit later. So I color in all my shapes the way I want to so that they are all colored in the same, going into my neck space but not beyond my neck. So wherever that black line is, I don't cross it unless it's part of my skin. So I crossed it where the chin meets the neck, but that's because that's all my skin. So I look at my chart, I grab my other color, that yellowish orangish color, and I go in and color in all the rest of the space. I just ignore the grid lines at that point, and I am just coloring my skin within my the black borders that define where my skin begins and ends from my hair and my shirt. So coloring all that in, trying my best not to leave any white spaces. And then I take a look, see if I need to touch anything up, just doing a little bit of opposites with the eyebrow there. So next week we will work on the hair, shirt, and background.